guys, we are now here with Nina, and we're going to be doing her little 4th of July patriotic hairstyle. I already washed and conditioned. I used my curling cream, or I should say curling style milk, and let's just get started. So her hair is going to just basically have red, white, and blue rubber bands and possibly beads, but it's going to be a pretty simple and cute hairstyle you can use for the 4th of July. You can use it for any holiday really and just mix up the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my part. I'm going to go from the tip of the ear to the other side. Actually, I'm going to go a little smaller. I'm going to go in front of the ear for this part. Okay, so we're just going to go right in front of the ear from one side to the other. Okay, so we just got this little section up front from the the front of this ear to the front of that ear. In the front, I'm going to be making 3 sections. So I'll need one red, one white, and one blue rubber band. And I'm just going to make 3 small sections and put in my rubber band. So we'll start right here. Red. And white. And blue. Okay, so now we're just going to make another section here. Let's go right behind the ear. So we're going to go from behind the ear, one side, all the way to the other. Okay, so we have our next section. It is slightly thicker than the first one, but that's okay. We're just going to make the same boxes, or the same little parts. So you just want to follow the line from the front. Okay. And this time I'm going to go in reverse with my rubber band. So I'm going to start with a blue one. Okay, now her little, her hair is so thin that it would be hard to braid these. So I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist real quick. I wanted to braid them, but her hair is just so thin. So you can choose 2-strand twist or braid, or you could just leave it. But I'm going to just quickly 2-strand twist, add it to this one, put in my blue rubber band. Okay, and white is in the middle, so it's going to stay in the middle. We're going to do the same thing, just a 2-strand twist, connect it to this one, put in the rubber band. And for the last one, same thing, but with a red rubber band. Okay, so I just put in my rubber bands. I actually braided this next section. Each one I braided because they're thicker, so it could hold a braid. And I braided them about 3/4 of the way down. So we're just going to take those, combine it with the back section, put in rubber bands. I'm actually doing all 3 rubber bands, so I'm doing red, white, and blue. Just for this occasion. Normally I'd only do 1, but just to be a little extra. So I'm going to get my brush, I'm going to smooth everything out, add everything together in a ponytail, and we will be done. Alright guys, so here is the end result. I think the 3 ponytails, red, white, and blue, are pretty awesome in that back section right here. But yeah, so I'm just going to leave her curls down in this little ponytail. You can always part this up and braid it, and then maybe put beads on the end. You can twist it, put beads on the end, twist it, and braid it, and just leave it, or just leave it like curls. So I think it's easier we're going to do curls today. Hopefully this stays in through the night. And she has a nice little hairstyle for the 4th of July. Let's just turn you around. It's super easy. Took about 10 minutes. Not difficult at all. Anyone can do it. And it is super cute. And you can use this style for any occasion, really. I'm just doing it for the 4th, so we just pick the ponytails, and you can always find beads that you can put in the end and make it even a little more festive. I might actually do that for tomorrow, before we start our festivities. And yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like this hairstyle. Comment down below if you tried it or you're going to try it, or if you like it. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel, because we love seeing new people. We love seeing other people's hair journeys and talking with them. And it really helps us out. So yeah, thanks guys. And we will see you next time.
Bye. Well, this is a lucky day for Mom because tomorrow's her birthday.
Yep, tomorrow is my birthday, 4th of July. We're going to have lots of fun, right?
Yes. And we're going to buy you the best presents.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Can you tell me what they are?
No.
Oh, darn it. Comment down below what you think I got for my birthday, because she said they're going to be the best presents, so we will see.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.